Hi, this is Steve. I'm Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Herndon, Virginia that has a roof leak and they need repairs. Now, the first thing I want to show you is the valley where these two roofs join together. The contractor initially installed a single cut closed type valley, and somebody was up on the roof and they tried to stop the leak, and all they did is just caulk right here, but all they're doing is just masking the problem. One thing I noticed is the valley is installed backwards. So what's happening is the water's traveling down the roof and it's going underneath the valley. These roof shingles over here on the steeper slope side should be overlapping this side, but instead this side is overlapping this. And the roof shingles on this side, the contractor put nails too close to the valley center line, so once the water gets underneath the valley, the water will seep right through the sides of the nail, and then the water will travel down and it usually settles at the lowest point, which is right here. And you can see the plywood is all rotten. Also, somebody put some step flashing up against the wall, and instead of having the flashing underneath the shingles, they put it on top. So that's also attributing to the leak. But another thing I noticed is up against the wall here, the step flashing, they put this nail here is supposed to be holding down the flashing, but there should be no nails exposed at all. The nail that's holding this flashing should be underneath this one here. So this piece of metal would be overlapping the nail. But instead, the water's getting in through the key and seeping through the sides of the nail. And wherever the water finds an opening underneath, that's where it will settle. So what we need to do is remove all the roofing material along the wall. We're going to repair or replace any damaged step flashing and then re-shingle it. This valley here, we need to remove all the roofing material on both sides. We're going to install ice and water shield, which is a rubber membrane. It will be fully adhered to the deck right along the entire length of the valley, and then we're going to re-shingle it. And like I said, the overlap seam is going to overlap this side here. Everything above on the upper roof is fine, so there's no problems up above that's causing this leak. Also, this stack pipe can also cause that leak directly below, and somebody put caulk around it, so we're going to have to remove the roofing material around here, install the ice and water shield, and then re-shingle it. Now, let me see something here. Also, we're going to seal the flange right here with polyurethane. Now, it's possible that they could develop hairline fractures to the vertical seam, and if this is not sealed also, the water can channel its way through the seam and bypass the flange and leak inside the home. So where they would have a leak here is directly below or down at the lowest point. So with this leak, we need to focus on everything as a whole, because if we don't, this leak will persist. Again, my name is Steve. I'm Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair in Herndon and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446. Thank you.